Alright guys, I got a 2010 Chevy Malibu. This car, the speed sensor is not working right, so I have this from CarQuest. I'll show you this sensor, the way it looks. This sensor has a lifetime warranty, so every time that it goes bad, we just get a new one. So this is how the sensor look like. And if you look at the engine, that's the engine from passenger side. Go all the way here and go all the way to the bottom. And that should be the one in there. Should be this one. Right here. So I already got it disconnected. You can see this is the harness. I'm gonna check the harness, make sure the harness good. And the only thing I need to do is take that bolt off. Here we go. Now we got a light. We can point. This is really simple. Replace. Here's our sensor, and here's the new one. Alright, so we'll reconnect the sensor and it should be ready to go. Alright, so that's how you replace the speed sensor on the 2010 Chevy Malibu.